back to some Ratchet and Clank. So last time we left off playing, Quark and Ratchet fell to a trap. Ratchet and Clank are mad at each other at the moment, and now we're helping out this general because he's getting attacked by threats, robots, and all his soldiers. Sounding good. And we get my second favorite weapon. We will snipe it. Get to test out our grind boot. I found out I could do this when I was a kid. Oh my god. Game changer. I didn't get to go to loop.
Halt! Who are you? What are you doing?
We are on a mission to save the galaxy.
Speak for yourself and put your hands down. You look ridiculous. Actually, I don't care who you are. I've got to get the heck out of here. I joined the army to get money to go to college. I never knew I'd end up in a war. Go figure.
This is a noble cause, sir.
Noble my hiney. I just want to get home to my family. Here, I pulled this off a busted robot. Give me some bolts for bus fare and it's yours.
Get this little bit of money real fast. I totally forgot. Alright, got enough. I totally forgot about him, not gonna lie.
Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
Greetings, Supreme Executive Chairman Drek. As you can see, we're about to test our newest automated pilot's helmet. This helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech fighters using only their thoughts. Please enjoy the demonstration. We still have a few minor adjustments to make.
Oh, If they ever get the kinks worked out of that thing, I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is that all you can think about? Drek this, Drek that? I got my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance of this situation, you do have problems.
Yeah? Well, if you're so smart, how come you fell for Quark's stupid trick? Ah, forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
Alright. Keep going. We got new coordinates so we can get that pilot helmet. Then interrogate them to see where Drek is. But how are y'all doing? Hopefully y'all been doing well. Hope y'all enjoying the series. And man, I almost this should be a ladder. And like I've been asking all the other times, what are some of y'all favorite PlayStation 2 games? On top of that, what's a couple of your favorite just video games in general? Mine's the Ratchet and Clank series. Ratchet and Clank games. Which are some of your favorite Ratchet and Clank games? Mine is Up Your Arsenal, Deadlock, Going Commando. About me and Ratchet and Clank is I first played Ratchet and Clank back when Blockbuster was a thing. So my dad took me to Blockbuster. Didn't know what game to get, so I picked up Ratchet and Clank. But I didn't pick up this Ratchet and Clank. I started with Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. After I played that for Christmas, I asked Santa Claus for Ratchet and Clank games. When I was younger, me and my sister, we used to take turns looking at the Walmart papers, Target papers. I like looking at the games. Pick out what games I wanted. I saw Ratchet and Clank, the Ratchet and Clank I got from Blockbuster, and I asked for that. But I didn't get that one. I got Up Your Arsenal. So the first Ratchet and Clank game I played, first Ratchet and Clank game I played was Going Commando. First Ratchet and Clank game I owned was Up Your Arsenal. Who watching this video or stream still remember Blockbuster? Oh my gosh, I'm so old. maybe I did, man. Got him. I swear, this is just all muscle memory. Yep, so the first Ratchet and Clank game I owned was up yours. After that, I believe it was Deadlock, to be honest. After Deadlock, I pretty much got a PlayStation 3. Then I played Tool of Destruction. And the rest from that series. I'm trying to remember I'm trying to remember PlayStation 3. Oh, we got Tool of Destruction, Crack of Time, Quest for Movie, that's another one. Let's throw a mine at him. That was it. Oh, Nexus? Into the Nexus was also PlayStation. That was okay. I usually just play spines on. I thought it was another one of those. I don't know what those bots are.
Blasted thing, it won't budge. I've tried everything I know short of nuclear weaponry. No, never mind.
Well, you tried. See ya.
Not so fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you. Aha! That ventilation shaft leads to the turret platform. Soldier, find a way to use that shaft to infiltrate the compound undetected. You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you. I intercepted this communique that you might find useful. Take it. I'm off to find my battalion. Good luck.
Hello once again, fellow blog. I hope this message finds you well. As many of you know, our home planet is no longer habitable. We've abandoned our factories, our laboratories, and our happy lives because of the encroaching pollution, leaving much behind. Fortunately, the nearby planets will supply us with all we need to create our new home. which is nearing completion. Once our scientists locate the ideal orbit, our new world will be perfect. So reserve your space now. Prime locations are filling up fast. Good day.
Now do you understand why we must stop him? He won't rest until he has destroyed every planet in the galaxy.
Yeah? Well, I got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger than the galaxy?
Well, different fish anyway. Look, didn't that commando guy say we could get into that compound?
Yes, by using the ventilation shaft. But we will need something special to walk on that.
Fine. Let's get going then. We'll come back later.
You will need a pair of Gadgetron Magna boots to traverse this ventilation shaft. Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect any Magna boots on this planet.
Alright, off to the ship we go then. So we will come back to this planet later on. Other than that, it went well. I just also realized something. Let's trying to think, because back in the old day I did not have this on there, so alright, off we go. I did not have that equipped when I was younger. Alright, new planet. Let's go look around. Oh, this planet is good. Sure if they can hit me in turn or not. I know they're under me right now. Or not. We're going to be on this planet for a bit. This is honestly one of the bigger planets on Ratchet and Clank. A lot of the planets on Ratchet and Clank make you don't have to. Let you explore. I like it. Honestly, this was one of the last Ratchet and Clank games I played. But once I got a job, I started buying my own Ratchet and Clank games. So I bought Going Commando at GameStop, and I bought this one. I want to save them. On this planet, we're gonna make quite a bit of money. So, this is why I wanted to save the... Yeah, the little guys, they just go off. Let them take care of it while I take cover. Like I said, this is going to be our sniper rifle in the game. Alright, time to snipe him. If he doesn't fade out. That'll do. If not, I'm gonna let them take care of it. Ah, hit. Ah, no, I meant the long jump. Yeah, y'all did great.
Is cool.
You have acquired a pilot helmet manufactured by the Fly. It will allow you to fly jet fighters via your conduction.
Honestly, I think he wears this helmet. Other one. Ooh, I'm not too sure. Yeah. Alright, so it should be over. Because this takes you back to the ship. But that's not the case. We go over here, jump down inside here. Oh my gosh. Yep. Dang it, ran to the wall! I remember when I came down here, I died quite a bit though. So I was thinking really need to heal. So I need to start playing a little more safe. This is where these guys come in handy again. So there's 2, I think, over there hiding. See if we can make them hit each other if possible. There's a lot over here. Nice. Clear. This way. Knock that out. Alright, so we're back at the ship, but it's not over. I don't know what that was about, but okay. It's not over. When I was younger, I found out all about this. Oh my god. This map became one of my other favorite planets. Try to double check over here. Okay, so I can't. I thought if I arced. Not a fan of using my rockets to do that, but oh well. Never mind, definitely not doing that. No way to do it. Here we leave with a bang. Alright, that was a weird explosion. So we can get skill points through her throughout the first playthrough. I don't know how I didn't get my slingshot. Alright, blew everything up, got what we came for. Out. Alright. Let's go to their old plan. Now that I got my rocket, which I use as a sniper rifle in this game, I don't really have any other weapons, sadly, to be honest. Warning, O2 mask required for organic life forms. You gotta do this with Clank, y'all.
Gadgetbots can't climb, but you can use your enter command to send them.
Oh no, looks like something's happening. Oh boy. I don't know what's going on. Give me a second. I'm gonna see what this means. I don't know what that means. Okay. Just gonna behave out, I guess. Dang! Alright. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. Sorry about that. I had to do a cut because this PlayStation streaming subscription sucks. Oh my god. So it's a few days now. Hopefully it's lag out. It's a few days now because the Sony subscription streaming service, they said my internet connection was messing up, which it shouldn't because everything else is running fine. So I don't understand that, especially when I've been playing for a while. So it's either this map is cursed or the stream service just sucks. And I'm just gonna say the stream service sucks. So me and my friend Jake, we tried to play Tekken Tag Tournament 2 on the stream service. And it was lag central. It really was. Yeah, it's been a couple of days because it wasn't letting me play the game. It just kept having an error and it just kicked me out. It's really frustrating. Oh my gosh. I was playing this on stream at first too. So I decided not even try to risk streaming it right now while I play this. So I'm just gonna try to record this for now, and then maybe stream later, and like the recording, and just go later, and then start another part. But yeah, it's been struggling on this world. I tried contacting PlayStation, but they don't. I wouldn't expect much. I'm not a big YouTuber or big streamer. Now, a lot of people, when I looked online to see like what was going on, it just kept giving like the same answer, saying, "Oh, you need this kind of quality for internet service, ultra high speed." It seemed like I'm like, no, my internet is great. I don't mind my internet. It's been working well for me for a while. So I don't really see that being a platform for streaming service. But hopefully y'all are doing good. I really hope. It's snowing out here. I'm enjoying the snow. Having a whole bunch of hot chocolate. Life's been a little bit tedious too. That's kind of why. so used to doing this so I could break boxes and playing. Are you serious? Y'all through. Hey, cool. Nice to get this Clank mission. I could just like chat with y'all for a bit. Not really gonna talk to the guy. But try to come up with some better conversations, you know? I finally ordered a new DDJ, so I'm back to mixing again. Excited about that. Really excited about that. So hopefully I won't have to DJ far away from my computers. Now I'm getting nervous because of this. I even tried to play this on the PlayStation 4, on my PlayStation 4, because I don't have PS5. Again, not a lot of games I really care about is out. Sorry, it's just not me. I don't want to pay about $600 something. Especially if I'm paying for stream for their PlayStation 4. I can just play free online. But it's almost the end of the year and we almost got the Game Awards coming out. What do y'all think is to be Game of the Year? I'm curious. Me personally, I'm Elden Ring. Sorry. I put a lot of hours into that. It's a game I actually paid $60 for, and it's so much to do. And then the mods are just going wild. I love it.
These Magna Boots are a device designed for climbing special metal surfaces. However, your feet appear to be too small to equip them.
Try help this lady. But yeah, I say Elden Ring for me. A lot of people are like, oh, it's gonna be God of War. It's gonna be God of War. Even before God of War game came out, everyone just wants to be God of War. I'm not gonna start that whole war at the moment. I'm just gonna say I like my PlayStation 2 better. Pretty soon they'll make Rise of I play a game, I want to actually play it. If I play a story game, I don't know, I really like playing a lot of story games. I guess that's just not my type. But yeah, I hope it's I even still play that game till I still play it every now and then. Especially because the mods is they're lit. I like the mods. I might have the bots here if I figure out a path real fast. Like me game out. There's a mod where you can like play co-op with your friends. Man, it's a lot of fun. And you can both, and you all can use your mount. That. That's like. I get some money. I'm not passing this by. Another weapon I'm gonna try to save up to get, which is another really useful weapon. And I think it's 20. Alright, little guy, go ahead. Go crazy. I don't know where y'all running to. Over here. Alright, so the bots are bugging out. Like 10 of them here. Squat. Time to use up the rest. Arm. Footstep. Terror.
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
Alright, y'all, so after this cutscene that happens down here, I'm gonna end this video, but I'll try to cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video and then I'm gonna start up the next one. So, hope y'all have a good day, and peace. Wait, once he lets me in. Alright, peace.
Hey! You giving me these or not?
They are magnetic. I appear to be stuck to them.
Oh. What do you have in there?
Gears, metal filings, dust.
You know what I mean. What is it?
I will show you this, but you must promise to stay focused on our mission.
Is it something about Quark?
Cities are full of smog, swamps are full of muck, and tar pits are full of tar. But here at Joe I Resort, the sun shines 24 hours a day. Visitors get a free O2 mask to explore our warm waters. The benign marine life will welcome you to the big blue world under the sea. You can also use our complimentary flippers to partake in speed swimming. So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
July Resort, Pokitaru.
I knew it.
Oh, come on. Switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your mouth shut.